Hello again. I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And this is another episode of Behind the Drywall. Today,
we're going to talk about tips for a smooth remodel. So if you're thinking about doing a remodel, these are definitely things that you need to know. So first thing to know is to establish effective communication. So whatever that is, maybe it's a text, maybe it's a phone call, maybe you're an emailer, maybe you're all of those things, but whatever is the best way for you to communicate with your remodeler, make sure to let them know. And in this day and age, I don't know how, with all the technology, that you can't be able to get a hold of each other. So there should be definitely that discussion up front.
That's step one, right? Step two is make sure that your contractor / remodeler and you get along. You're going to be in each other's home, or they'll be in your home at all hours of the day. Sometimes people don't wake up in great moods. Of course, I do every day.
Every day.
And so you want to make sure that you gel. It's very important. It's a long process, 3 months, 6 months. So you got to get along. That's a very important aspect.
Yes. And then also you're going to want to make sure to discuss your schedule. So make sure that you're talking about that up front, your timeline, everything that's established in the beginning. And just know that things can change along the way, so that's part of the communication, but make sure that your schedule is discussed in the very beginning.
Very important.
Very important.
Another thing, a detailed proposal. You don't want to have just, oh, here's a one page, we're going to be remodeling your house, and here's your price. It needs to be detailed. What's going in, what's getting taken out, all the little parts, that way you know what you're paying for, and the remodeler knows what he's responsible for.
Yes. And then you're going to want to discuss logistics before your project starts. So those are things like, where's the dumpster going to go? Where's the portalet going to go? All kinds of different
Alarm,
things.
pets, dogs, HOA.
Start dates, all of that kind of stuff. It's really important, and there's so many different details that your remodeler should be able to guide you through that. So logistics is a huge part. Know those things at the beginning.
And a very important thing too is to be flexible. It is a construction project, not that kind of flexible. More like things happen. So things happen. So some days may go smooth, some days may not go smooth. But be flexible, and hopefully your remodeler will convey that information to you.
Yes. And then lastly, give yourself a little bit of love.
I'm flexible.
Don't TMI. But give yourself a little bit of love. So things like the cabinets are just installed or they got in, and that's exciting. That's a nice big milestone on a project. So go out and celebrate, or have a romantic dinner, or do something to reward yourself for, we've made it to this point and this is exciting. Everything's starting to come together. So give yourself a little bit of love, and that'll keep your blood pressure down.
It will, and so that's really all we have to say for today's episode. But I have one more thing. Here in San Antonio, this is April, which is Fiesta Month. Big citywide party, places shut down. So I am saying, Viva Fiesta!
Bye!